Hello there, a very warm welcome to all of you on my channel. And I am here today with some techniques which will help you brighten your mood, uplift your mood if you are in a bad mood. Sometimes when you get up in the morning, you experience that you are in a bad mood and you just don't understand what is the reason because of which you are feeling down. The people around you also experience the same, that there is something wrong and you are not in your natural elements. You try to find out reasons, and the reasons could be many. One of the reasons could be that you are guilt-stricken, maybe because you are not able to finish your to-do list of the earlier day and that is why you feel down. Or there could be many other reasons. So wherever you look at, you feel that nothing shines around and everything seems to be grey. So whenever you are in such a kind of a mood, the techniques which I am going to share with you will help you uplift your mood instantly. And all these techniques are scientifically proven techniques, and it won't take more than 2 minutes for you to change your mood. So let us dive deep to understand these techniques. The first technique to improve your mood is to listen to upbeat music. Make a playlist of upbeat music on your mobile phone, and as and when you catch yourself getting into bad mood, just play that playlist and just relax, and you will be able to improve and uplift your mood. One of the research which was done in the University of Missouri suggested that listening to upbeat music improves your mood. So as and when you would like to listen to upbeat music, just play your playlist and change your mood. The second technique which will help you boost your mood is smile. Smile is such a kind of a tool with the help of which you will be able to bring back your mood very fast. But you might say that if I am in a bad mood, how am I going to smile? So a good idea could be try to bring about a forced smile. If you want to bring about a forced smile, just either look at yourself in the mirror. If you don't have the mirror, then look at yourself in the selfie camera and just smile at the camera, smile at yourself. Or if you have people around, even if they are strangers, smile at them. Because our brains are wired in such a manner that when we smile at someone, the other person also smiles back at us and we feel contented from inside, because there is some kind of human interaction happening there. Research shows that just the act of smiling lifts up your mood. Smile brings about a powerful chemical reaction in your brain. Smile also releases happy hormones which help reduce stress. So when you smile, you automatically start feeling relaxed, start feeling calm, because of which your bad mood will just get off and you will be able to improve your mood. So smile. It just takes 2 seconds to change your mood. The next way to improve your mood is take a few deep breaths. Whenever you feel offbeat, just pause for a while and take a few deep breaths. You will be able to observe that when you take full, deep belly breaths, you feel very calm, you don't feel anxious at all. When you are breathing, fill up your chest, inhale and slowly exhale. Deep breathing will surely alter your state of mind and you'll feel relaxed and calm. And at the same time, you'll be able to see a noticeable change in your mood. Research shows that a few minutes of deep breathing can help in coping with stress and anxiety. So be mindful of your breathing. Deep breathing will energize you and will also open up your body as well as your lungs. When you inhale, it expands your lungs, and at the same time it expands your entire body. And when you exhale, you are able to deflate the lungs, because of which you feel grounded. So remember to breathe deeply. So just breathe with me and then see the effect which it has on your mood. The fourth way to feel upbeat is get sunlight. If you're feeling down, just get up and take a stroll in the open air. Let the sun rays touch your body. Just soak yourself under the sun. Research suggests that exposure to sunlight improves mood. You will also feel more aware, alert, and productive when you are under the sun. So next time, whenever you feel down, just get outside and soak yourself under the sun and see the magic. The fifth way to boost your mood is just laugh. Now you might say that if I'm in a bad mood, how is it possible for me to laugh? So you can read or remember or listen to something which will make you laugh. My personal experience with this particular technique is whenever I am in a bad mood, I take myself in such a kind of a situation, a humorous situation which created a lot of laughter. And whenever I visualize that situation, I replay that situation in my mind, I automatically start laughing. And when I laugh, automatically my mood also changes. Research suggests that laughter increases dopamine in our brain, because of which our mood elevates and we feel less anxious. So it's important for you to just laugh. Just laugh off your bad mood and feel light. The next technique to improve your mood is chew gum. You might be surprised to know about this technique and you might say how chewing gum is going to improve my mood. So you'll be surprised to know that there's a lot of research done on this, whether chewing gum affects the mood or whether chewing gum brings some kind of awareness or alertness. So research studies concluded that chewing gum brings about alertness, awareness, and at the same time it also elevates your mood. So next time whenever you feel down or you are in bad mood, just pop a chewing gum and start chewing. The action of chewing lowers cortisol levels in your body, which is a stress hormone, and because of which you have lower stress levels and at the same time you have lower anxiety levels. So go ahead, chew a gum as and when you feel down. The next way to have a positive mood is gratitude rampage. Gratitude rampage is such a kind of a technique where you have to remind yourself of all the good things that surround you or they are with you. It could be people, it could be situations, or it could be things. So whenever you feel down, whenever you are in bad mood, a very good idea is to write down all the things for which you're grateful. It could be presence of your parents or your siblings or maybe your beautiful house. So you should be grateful for each and everything which you have in this life. If you are inside your house, you can always look around and see the kind of things which are there for you and you can be grateful for that. If you are in an office, then you can always look around and be grateful for all the things which are there in and around you. It could be the people with whom you work, it could be the job which gives you your bread and butter, or it could be some other things. So whenever you are grateful towards the things which you have or which you possess or which surround you, you automatically feel very light and your mood is uplifted. The last thing to improve your mood is hug yourself or hug others. Best way to feel upbeat is hug someone, or if there's no one around, then hug yourself. Hugs are very comforting. If you are not able to be in contact with any other person, then it is the best way to hug yourself. For all of us, touch is a basic need. And so, if you're isolated for a very long time, there will be surely an urge to touch the other person or to have some kind of human interaction. Research suggests that a soothing touch releases oxytocin, which helps to reduce stress and anxiety. So go ahead, hug yourself tightly and see the difference how it brings about in your mood. Your mood will automatically improve just in 2 minutes. So now whenever you feel down and you want to change your mood, use any of these techniques and just see how within 2 minutes you are able to brighten your mood instantly. So if I have added any value to you, then surely consider to share, like and subscribe. And see you next time.